A man, had exercised and he just collapsed.
A woman in the gym called 911 while Ghanaian started CPR.
Imagine a sudden emergency. A family member collapses or someone starts choking in a cafe. Terrifying, isn't it? Being equipped with the right knowledge can empower you to potentially save a life in such situations. Hello everyone, I'm Jed. Today, we're exploring the crucial skills of basic life support. In an emergency, seconds count.
Understanding basic life support can mean the difference between life and death.
This guide will equip you with the knowledge to act swiftly and effectively during critical moments. I'm here to provide you with essential information, but please note that I am not a certified professional. It's vital to seek expert advice and hands-on training to be fully prepared. Before we dive into the procedures, it's important to assess the victim's condition, as your approach will vary based on their responsiveness and breathing status. It could be unresponsive with no breathing or pulse, positive pulse but no regular breathing, or has pulse with normal breathing. Now, let's walk through the procedures step by step, helping you grasp the importance of each action. Your safety is paramount. Before diving in to help, make sure the surroundings are safe for both you and the victim. Is the person conscious? Gently tap on their shoulder and loudly ask,
Hey, are you okay?
A response can help you gauge their state. If there's no response, immediately shout for help. Attract attention. Someone nearby might know BLS or be of assistance.
Hey, you there in the black shirt, please call for help.
Promptly activate the emergency response system through your phone or any other means available. If there's an AED, automated external defibrillator, or other emergency equipment nearby, get it. If someone's with you, ask them to fetch it. Time is crucial. Quickly scan their chest. If it isn't rising and falling, they might not be breathing. Simultaneously, feel for a pulse on their neck, specifically the carotid artery. Remember, do this for no more than 10 seconds.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Place one hand on their forehead and two fingers from your other hand on their chin. Gently tilt the head back and lift the chin. This is the head tilt chin lift maneuver, designed to clear the airway. Pinch their nose shut, take a deep breath, and seal your mouth over theirs. Blow until you see their chest rise. Give 2 such breaths. Position yourself by their side and using the heel of your hand, press down on the center of their chest. After every 30 compressions and 2 breaths, recheck their pulse and breathing. Continue giving breaths without compressions if they have a pulse but aren't breathing. 1 breath every 5 seconds, or around 12 breaths a minute. Every 2 minutes, pause and reassess the situation. Adjust your approach based on their condition. Gently turn the person onto their side if they're breathing and have a stable pulse, ensuring they're in a stable side-lying position. This helps keep the airway clear and prevents any aspiration. Approach the person and ask, "Are you okay?" If they can't speak, are making choking signs, or nod in distress, immediate action is required. Stand behind them, place a fist just above their navel, and give quick inward and upward thrusts. This might help dislodge the obstruction. If they're pregnant or obese, use chest thrusts instead, press the middle of their chest. Lay them down if they become unresponsive. Check their mouth. If you see the obstructing item and can easily remove it, do so. If not, start CPR. This video is intended to provide a basic understanding of BLS. For a comprehensive understanding and hands-on practice, I strongly recommend attending a certified BLS training program. That brings us to the end of our BLS guide. Remember, these techniques may seem straightforward, but applying them in real emergencies requires calmness and practice. Help spread awareness by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your family and friends. Together, we can save more lives with widespread basic life support knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Stay safe and informed.